Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. Is technology merely a tool of, or will it take control of the supply chain itself? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. We have an interesting question about supply chain. Mnet News talks about the attributes that companies should be looking for to leverage technology and adapt to future developments in the supply chain. Is technology merely a tool, or will it take control of the supply chain? So there was an introduction there and a question. I think the best way to answer this is to look at where we're at today. We use a lot of technology currently in the supply chain. To answer your question, is technology merely a tool, or will it take control of the supply chain? Technology has been a tool. We've been using automation, robotics, RFID. We've been using a lot of technology. We've been using software, Oracle, SAP, a lot of ERP type systems out there. Some of them more or less advanced, some of them highly mobile, some of them legacy. A lot of companies, the two big names that I mentioned, have been working very hard to bring older companies or older legacy systems closer to the forefront. Yes, there's a lot of technology being used in the supply chain today. They're all tools that manage it. Your question, will it take control of the supply chain? I would say it already has. It's not a matter of it will. These technology tools have become the supply chain. So I hope that answers your question. This was a quick one. Sometimes things just require a yes or no. And in this particular case, while they are tools, they have become the backbone or the backline of the supply chain itself, and it's not so much that they will take control of it, they already have. I hope that answers your question. Thanks. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.